Good morning viewers. Today this is my second video. In this second video we are going to discuss about the bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy. So here you see, in the previous video we have discussed about the history of accounting. The father of accounting called Luca Pacioli, about the history and everything when the accounting was evaluated and what are the basics of the accounting, what he wrote in that book, double entry system. He wrote a book called Double Entry System. About those we discussed in the previous video. Now we come to the very important topic here today we discuss, that is called bookkeeping. Bookkeeping, recording the transactions in a systematic manner, is called bookkeeping. Every businessman in a day or throughout the particular accounting period, he does so many transactions, so many numerous transactions he does. Then the transactions, it is very difficult to memorize all those transactions to every businessman, and those transactions are recorded. The transactions in the previous video I said that the transactions are called economic activities, and those economic activities are called transactions, and the transactions are recorded in a book is called bookkeeping. The recording may be in a chronological order or in a date wise, that how the transaction has done, then immediately the transaction is recorded in a book is called bookkeeping. So here you see, under bookkeeping, historical transactions only recorded. That is, remember you think the transaction is going to take place in the future, or the transaction not yet completed, or the activity which will be performed later, those are not called transactions, those are not called economic activities. Already the activity which was done, already activity which was finished, then only it will become a transaction, and that transaction take place in bookkeeping. Now clearly understood here? Means here the activity which was already completed, goods sold rupees 1 lakh, this is called a transaction. Here I will write goods sold rupees 1 lakh. It is called a transaction. This transaction has done in the month of June 4. So this is called a bookkeeping. I said here, while recording the transaction, there follow a chronological order. It means here the date wise. He goes, while he recording the transaction, he writes all the transactions in a chronological order. It means in a date wise. After the 4th, what will be the transaction has done in the 6th date or in the 5th date will be written. But will not be written like that. June 4th transaction was written first and then came to June 3rd. This is wrong. This is not called a proper recording of transactions in bookkeeping. Okay, now clearly understand here that the bookkeeping is what here? It is a systematic manner of recording the transactions. Now come to the account. So the second important topic of the accounting is introduction. Under introduction to accounting, the second very important one is account. Account means here you see recording transactions only. Account is also called recording transactions. Bookkeeping is also called recording transactions. Do not get any confusion here. यानी आप लोग कंफ्यूज होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बुककीपिंग में मैं आपको क्या बताया, ट्रांजैक्शंस को लिखना एक chronological order में, एक date wise all the transactions are recorded is called bookkeeping. But what I am saying again, recording transactions in a book or in a account in a particular format is called account. Means the meaning is same. What is bookkeeping? Recording transactions. And what I am saying in account also recording transaction. But here one small variation is there. एक छोटा सा डिफरेंट अपन देख सकते, यानी बुककीपिंग को और अकाउंट को डिफरेंस अगर अपन देखें तो रिकॉर्डिंग ट्रांजैक्शंस इन ए बुक अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रिंसिपल्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू सम रूल्स, according to some regulations is called account. To record the transactions in a bookkeeping, no need any principles, no need any rules. Chronological order में follow हुए तो बस है, language आए तो बस है. But while recording the same transaction, this transaction suppose wants to be recorded. Suppose the same transaction wants to record in a account, we have to follow some rules and regulations. We have to follow some principles. So here you see, generally the account has a T-shape. Generally it has a format. We discuss later whatever the, so many formats will be there. According to the particular type of account, particular method of accounting, there will be different formats are there. Generally the account format will be in T-shape. This part is called left part and that part is called right part. Here you see left part. The left part is called debit and the right part is called credit. The right part is called credit here. So account has two parts. One is left part, another one is right part. The left part is called debit and the right part is called credit. While recording the transaction according to the particular transaction basis, whether it is debit, recorded in debit side, whether the transaction is take place in credit, recorded in credit side, that is called account. Clearly understand here? I hope you are understanding very well. So now come to the accounting. Next one is bookkeeping is different, account is different and accounting is different. Now here you get the clear picture about the accounting. Very clearly you will get the meaning and definition. So actually so many experts and authors have given the definition of accounting. So here AICPA, American Institute of Certified Public Accounts, has given a definition. Again I will repeat the abbreviation. AICPA, American Institute of Certified Public Accounts, has given a definition about the accounting. Accounting is a process of, systematic process of. Why here said the word systematic process? Because of in a particular way, in a particular process, in a particular step by step, recording, classifying, summarizing the business transactions for the purpose of financial information, and the transactions which are equal to money or money's worth transactions are recorded for the financial information purpose is called accounting. यानी यहाँ पर अपन अकाउंटिंग के डेफिनेशन में अपन क्या एक्चुअली मीनिंग क्या है, डेफिनेशन में क्या बताए गए अपन को, AICPA वाले अकाउंटिंग का डेफिनेशन दिए गए अपन को. यानी उसमें क्या बोल रहे हैं, अकाउंटिंग क्या है, एक सिस्टमेटिक प्रोसेस है, एक सिस्टमेटिक मैनर. जो बोले सो वो मैनर में लिखना नहीं है, एक पर्टिकुलर मैनर, एक सिस्टमेटिक मैनर को फॉलो करते हुए रिकॉर्डिंग करना, ट्रांजेक्शन्स को क्लासिफाई करना और ट्रांजेक्शन को समराइजिंग करना. समराइजिंग करके वो ट्रांजेक्शन्स का फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन विच इज यूजफुल टू द financial information which is useful to users, and the transactions which are money or money's worth transactions are recorded. That is called accounting. So here very clearly we discussed here the accounting which was given by the AICPA. AICPA has given the definition here. Some other experts also given the definition about the accounting. Those are similarly to the meaning of AICPA. So accounting, with the accounting here every businessman will get some useful information. A businessman invested money in the business and wants to know the profit and wants to know the loss, and whether his business financial position, whether good or bad, means financial condition is good, whether it is good, it can be known by the accounting here. So this is the second class. In that second class we discussed about the bookkeeping very well. and also we discussed about the account, and also we discussed about the accounting. So now we discuss what are the differences between the bookkeeping and accounting. Bookkeeping is merely recording transactions in a chronological order. But accounting, whereas accounting not only recording, classifying, summarizing the transactions. और आगे summarizing के और आगे और कुछ भी रहता अपन we discuss that will be in the accounting function. So what is the first difference here? Under bookkeeping only recording the transaction, but under accounting not only recording but also classifying the transaction and summarizing the transaction. Interpretation रहता और एनालिसिस रहता, रिपोर्टिंग रहता, और जो बिजनेस का जो रिकॉर्ड करे सो ट्रांजेक्शन्स को कम्युनिकेटिंग रहता. सो दैट इज अकाउंटिंग. सेकंड डिफरेंस सपोज वी ऑब्जर्व हियर. फॉर बुक कीपिंग ओनली रिकॉर्डिंग इज एनफ. जस्ट यू शुड फॉलो द chronological order is enough. No need any principles, no need any rules, and no need any regulations. Whereas in accounting process, suppose we go while recording the transaction, just must follow the rules and regulations, must follow the certain principles, because of accounting is depend upon the certain principles, certain rules and regulations. That is the second difference. Bookkeeping involve just a clerical work only. Means here a clerk है तो बस है जिसका हैंड राइटिंग है और जिसको इंग्लिश में लिखना आता उन्होंने अगर है तो बस है. bookkeeping just a recording transaction only. But here accounting, clerical, accountants are needed here. Means this work is related to accounts. This work is related to only the clerks. That is not. So compared to, and third, suppose we go for the third differentiation, under accounting, bookkeeping is one of the part. यानी accounting शुरू होता bookkeeping से. Means here bookkeeping scope is very narrow. Because of bookkeeping is one of the part in accounting. Accounting scope is wide, width scope is there. So okay, so these are the some of the differences that we have discussed. Okay, right now, and in this video we discussed the 3 points. One is bookkeeping, and the second one is account, third one is accounting. In the next class, in the next video, we discuss some other points which are useful and for the introduction to accounting, and we discuss the accounting functions very clearly. Okay, right, bye. Thank you for watching my video. Okay.